Hello guys, let's solve this beautiful equation together. We have x to the power of 2 all over 49 is equal to 7 all over x. And we have to find the value of x in this equation. So let's solve. The first thing to do is to do cross multiply. So we are cross multiplying. So when you cross multiply, we'll have the x to the power of 3 of 2 multiplied by x to the power of 1 is equal to 49 multiplied by 7. Now, if you notice, you see that 49 is a perfect square. So that means 49 can be written as 7 times 7. Okay? So we have x to the power of 2 multiplied by x to the power of 1 is equal to 7 to the power of 2 multiplied by 7. I can just add 1 here. Doesn't change anything. So we see we have the same line of equation on the left and on the right hand side. So from here, your guess is as good as mine, but let's keep going. Now, you see that here, now, here is x to the power of 2 plus 1 and is equal to x to the power of 2, 7 to the power of 2 plus 1. So I want to bring out something from this video. Okay, so here, you see that x to the power of 2 multiplied by x to the power of 1 is the same thing as 7 to the power of 2 multiplied by 7 to the power of 1. Automatically, x is equal to what? 7. That is the answer of this equation. From this, looking at it now, you see that x is equal to 7. But let's follow a long method to see. All right? So we have x to the power of 2 plus 1 is equal to 7 to the power of 2 plus 1. So this is x to the power of 3 plus is equal to 7 to the power of 3. Let's equate this to 0. We have x to the power of 3 minus, when it comes over, 7 to the power of 3 is equal to 0. Now, when you have a to the power of a minus b cube, the same thing as a minus b squared. Okay, so this is a minus b, a minus, and this is equal to 0. Don't forget, a minus b, 8 squared minus plus b squared minus 2ab. Okay, so now we see that our a is what? X, and our b is 7. Okay, so we have x minus 7 to the power of 3 is equal to 0. So this becomes x minus 7 and x squared minus x squared plus 7 squared minus 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by x, this which is equal to 0. So this is x minus 7 x squared plus 49 minus 2 times 7 will give us what? 14x is equal to 0. So let's write this in a better way. This is x minus 7, and we'll have x squared minus 14x plus 49 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is x minus 7 is equal to 0, or x squared minus 14x plus 49 is equal to 0. So let's solve this. We already know that x is equal to 0 plus 7. When this comes over, it becomes what? 7. Now let's solve for this part. So we have 49 here, and 49 is what? 7 times 7, which is 7 plus 7 can still give you 14. But how do we write that? 7 times 7 will give you minus 14, and 7 times 7 will give you plus. 7 multiplied by 7 will give you 49. So that will be 7 x to the power of 2 minus 7x, then plus 49. Because this multiplied by this multiplied by this will give you plus 49, and minus 7 give you minus 14. All right, equal to 0. So take open the collect like terms. You have x minus 7 minus 7 x minus 7 here becomes minus 7 is equal to 0, because this times this will give you minus 7, this times will give you plus 49. So this is x minus 7 and x minus 7, which is equal to 0. So our value here, x is equal to 7 or 7. Therefore, x is equal to, we see that we have 777. This is our final answer. Bye bye. See you in my next video.